Hi, this is Carol and Hannah.
Hello.
From Tiny Space Health here, and we are going to do, and you're going to do, a cardio circuit for the core. So it's continuous exercises for the core area. We're going to go between 20 seconds and 30 seconds, but don't pick me up on that too much. It's going to vary a little bit because I haven't got my glasses on. So yeah, come and enjoy. And yeah, Hannah's going to do the easier versions at times. I'm going to do the harder versions, but it's still beginnery, yeah?
Yep.
So we're just going to start with little crunches, and I'm going to look at my watch. So we're going to be 20 to 30 seconds each thing. We're going to do about 8 different exercises, I think. Anyway, I'll remember. We'll remember.
We can go through them when we go through them.
Okay, let's go. 5 more seconds. When I say 5, it's whatever. Okay, legs up. Here we go. Down for 2, up for 2. Down for 2, up for 2. So doing lower abs. These ones are called reverse crunches. So to work easier, we come in here, okay? Or to work harder, legs come out. And I forgot to look at the clock. Let's just do a few more. I actually like this one, so we're probably going to stay on the ones that I like more.
I like these too.
Okay, so we're going to stop after this one. Okay, legs down. Let's do obliques one side for up and down. So you can stay like this, yeah? Or you can lift one leg up, like that. I'm watching the time now. So Hannah, you can do this if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Happy to.
Yes. Okay. We're doing about 30 seconds for this one. So I'm doing the hard level, kicking out. So the next one, yeah, that'll do us. Okay, other side. So remember, shoulder up towards the knee, shoulder. It's not this, no, shoulder lifts. Ooh, adjusting the things, yeah. Or you can kick it out. We're going to do 4 more. 3, 2. We're going to do a side plank. Okay, come on this side on your knees. Knees are here. Elbow, ready, lift. We're going to do 20 seconds. Yeah.
Stronger.
I hope I'm not covering your face with my butt, am I?
Just above.
I hope not. Okay, we're 15 seconds in. I've got a clock here. I'm cheating, not cheating. Okay, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Turn over. Okay. Alternate arm, alternate leg. So lift, nose down towards the mat, yeah? Ice cube under the belly button. What arm am I on? And I've got to look at the time, but that's okay. It's no different than any of my classes. How many more?
2 more.
Let's just go to plank.
Yeah.
Ready, 20 seconds, go. Knees if you want. I'm looking at the time for this one because I really don't like it. Or toes for harder. Okay, you've got 10 seconds to go. Keep your bottom down. Yep. Because it's going to make it stronger. Okay, come back down. Hands here. Really make those feet go. Yeah? Swimmer? Good. Stay with it. I'm going to look at the time. Good. Ice cube under the belly button. Nose raising it. Faster with the legs. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Turn over. Side plank, other side. Elbow. Here, knees are there, and lift. Time. Checking it. I'm checking it, don't worry. You can be there, you can be there. If you want to be cool. We're staying with the lower level, aren't we?
Yep, we are.
Okay. We're staying with it. Come on, lift the hip.
Holding it.
Okay. 3, 2, and 1. Roll over. Okay. We're back to the start. Here we go. Lift it up. Woo. Adjust your tights with me. I'm looking at the time. Good. So we're round 2. Same exercises. Do you think it could be louder? Yeah, I think it could be a bit louder. Yeah. That's better. Okay, legs up. Reverse crunch. Down for 2. Up for 2. I'm checking the time. We're going to do 30 seconds this one. Yeah? If it gets too hard, just go in closer. Like this. Yeah? We're halfway. Good. Nearly there. Nearly there. Nearly there. Hey, we're doing it on the beat. Let's go. Up. So we're obliques now, aren't we? You can be here. You can be here. Or you can be here. Kick it out. We're staying on this for 30 seconds. We've got 10 seconds to go. Okay, swap it. Other side. Other side. Remember, shoulder up. Are you right?
I'm good. You?
Yeah, I'm good. I like doing these ones. I don't hate them, put it that way. 10 seconds. What's next? A side plank, yeah. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Get ready for side plank. Over on this side. Okay. Knees here. Lift. Whoops. There we go. Hold it. 20 seconds.
Oh, I'm starting to really feel it now.
If we hate side planks, that's why we thought we put them in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go over. Alternate arms, legs. I'm just looking up to check the time. Turn me loose. Okay, 5 seconds. Okay, plank. Remember, knees or toes. Knees if you like. 20 seconds, go. If you're here, not there. Here. Yeah, Hana? You alright?
I'm doing it.
Yeah.
Keeping the butt
10
down.
seconds. Tummy pulled in. Head banging. Okay, down and swimmer. Go. I'm just going to talk to you. Do what she's doing, yeah? So I'm doing the instructing bit at the moment. What she's doing. Yeah. Come on, Hana. Faster. Faster. Head down. Belly button. Pulled up. Yeah?
Yeah.
3, 2, and 1. Turn over. Let's go. Side plank. Knees up. Now I'm just going to need to look at my watch. Probably helps if I have my glasses on. Stay with it. Stay with it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2. Round 3. Let's go. Lift. Where are you? How are you feeling?
Feeling exercise.
Yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Lift it up. Down for 2 and up for 2. So working the lower abs. I like to swap my legs here.
When you walk my way, I feel a rush come over me.
Okay?
Yeah. Pick on my shoelaces.
I sort of like doing this one. Stay this a bit longer. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Side ones. Let's go. Obliques, working side. Shoulder, knee. And then in, kick out. Want to do the hard work? Halfway. 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Up. Lift. How you going out there? Out there! In the world. I'm talking to the people outside in the camera world. Ready? Are you ready? We'll do two more. 1, 2. Side plank. Ready? Steady and lift. Go. 20 seconds. Okay, the clock's right there for this one. I'm not going to go longer than 20 seconds. Now, lift your hip up. Now, Hannah, show them the easier version. And I'll show you. The easier version is here. Just lift up your ribs. So if you need a break, you're still working in your core. You can be here. I should have said it before, shouldn't I?
You wanted them to work
3,
hard.
2, and 1. Over. I did. Alternate arm leg. I wanted you to work hard. I didn't give you the really easy ones. So really point the toes. I've got to look at the time again.
Oh, this is what we like.
We like this one so much, a little bit longer. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Get ready for plank. Come on. Ready? Knees. We're going to start the timing from when it hits the drop. Here we go. Go. 20 seconds. Keep that butt down. Abs pulled in tight. Maybe the hip look if you like. If it works. I'm making it longer. 5. Yep. Yep. And down. Swimmer, go. Follow Hannah. Yeah. And down. Tiny movement. Stay with Hannah. I'm just checking the clock. Yep. 5. Okay, over. Ready, go. Lift. Head locking. Arm up if you want. Don't let this sink. Keep it up. Keep your head up. Nearly there. 4, 3, 2, and 1. We gotta finish on something hard.
Yeah.
Yeah? So what do we finish with? I'll pull the toes up. You're gonna pulses. Go. Pulse. You're gonna finish on something hard. No, a little bit harder. This is the end. You've done really well. Come on. Stay at the top. Reach. And 4, 3. Come on. 2, and 1. Excellent. Stretch it out. Woo! Okay, that was your cardio circuit for the core.
Yes.
Okay, have a big stretch. And thanks for joining us. Yeah, I'm gonna click up. And I'm yelling a bit, but that's what I have to. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us. Bye.